Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel, but you can call me Chanty. And today I'm going to be doing a review of the Hipdot palette that I got in my September boxycharm. First of all, I really love the packaging. It's very groovy. On the inside, the colors are very beautiful. I don't think I've ever seen a palette with these color combos. I mean, they may exist out there, but I was really drawn to this palette because it has like purples and oranges and some yellow tones to it. But there's a couple of darker tones that you can use to deepen up looks. So this is the look we're going to be creating today, and we'll dive right into it. So I'm starting with a fluffy brush, and I'm picking up Wanderlust, which is kind of like a dusty rose color. And I'm starting that up in my crease and blending in circular motions. I'm gonna bring it up, not quite to my brow. Then with the same brush, I'm gonna grab the color Mystery. One thing I'm noticing about this palette is it shows up a lot more in person than it does on camera right now. I don't know if maybe that's the intense lighting, but in person, it looks like I'm wearing a lot more makeup than I am on camera. Regardless, now I'm going to pick up Whisper with a slightly more packed brush. One thing that I noticed about this color already is it's not as pigmented as it looks like it's going to be. So I find that when I'm applying it, it's best to apply with a tightly packed brush to get as much down as possible before I go in afterwards and blend it out into the other colors. And I'm just putting that on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm bringing it up just a little bit above the crease as well. And then, as I mentioned, I'm just going to make sure I blend the eyeshadow that I placed in the crease. Now, next I'm going to go in with Whisper. And I think Whisper is the one that really doesn't show up on camera, which is disappointing because in person, it's such an effective lilac color. Like, I would actually wear just this color across my whole lid. And with an angled brush, I'm just dusting that across the remainder of my lid and then slightly blending it in to Whisper. I forgot with the brush that we used to apply Whisper, not picking up any extra eyeshadow. I'm just going across my lower lash line, bringing it most of the way across. And then again, with the angle brush I used to apply Wild River, I'm just going to pop that in the corner as well. Once again, just not picking up any extra. And I'm gonna also like run that just below Whisper. Now with a pencil shaped brush, I'm gonna pick up Vibration. Could you see that? It is this brown here. And I'm gonna create a smoky liner just across the top of my lash line. And then taking the remainder down the outer corner of my lash line. Finally, with my finger, I'm going to pick up this gorgeous sparkle called Virgin. What a name, what a name. And I'm just gonna pop that in the inner corner of my eye. Guys, this fall lighting is killing me because it's like cloudy today, but every now and again the sun just kind of peeks through. So you might see a sun ray just kind of splash across my face. So I'm just gonna quickly wrap up this look and then I'll come back to give you my kind of final, oh my God. Okay, this light is telling me that I really should just do the rest of this look off camera and give you my final thoughts on the eyeshadow palette when the sun rays calm down. Et voila, this is the final look. For eyes, all I added was mascara and eyebrows. Obviously, I did a little bit. The rest was all foundation, bronzer, blush, highlight, and lipstick. And conceal. Let me know down below what you think of the color combination. I think they go really well together. I do have to say they show up so much better in person than they do on camera. I'm looking at my little side camera right here, and honestly, they look really faded. Maybe I'll feel differently when I'm editing it, but I think it looks really cute. This palette isn't difficult to work with. Although I say that it shows up a lot better in person than it does on camera, it's still not highly pigmented. I would probably use this palette more for like a soft, colorful, everyday look. If you like this video, if you like my vibe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take it easy. I actually had filmed a unboxing video for September, but I was filming it after work and I still hadn't quite gotten a handle on my lighting at that point. And the footage was just too dark, and I just didn't feel like it was gonna, I just didn't think the video was gonna have any value to it, so I decided to scrap it.